Come sing to the Lord, His name to praise. He in these latter days did raise a prophet to His name, the blessed gospel to restore.
Come sing to the Lord, His name adore.
The prophets of old beheld this day, its glory told in wondrous lay. They saw our prophet dear, who times of fullness ushered in.
Come sing to the Lord, His praises ring.
The keys of the priesthood of our Lord to us in fullness are restored, their blessings to bestow, and powers divine are manifest. Come sing to the Lord, His name